A grassland chicken trying to turn into a rabbit seems to be mumbling something. The greater prairie chicken is a striking bird native to North America's grasslands, known for its booming calls and elaborate mating dances. Males perform on leks, inflating bright orange air sacs and stomping their feet in a dramatic display to attract females. Once abundant, these birds now face habitat loss, making conservation of prairies crucial for their survival.